Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, the makeup obsessed mommy, and tonight I'm going to do a makeup look because I'm going out to dinner with my girlfriends finally after like a couple of probably 5 months. So they reached out. I was able to get a babysitter. My husband's working, so yeah, I'm going out to dinner with a couple of my old co-workers, and they happen to be girls, so it's like a girls' night out. So I'm gonna do a really pretty makeup look, and as you can see, got my brows on already, and we're gonna head on into this tutorial. Grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, and keep watching. Okay. As you can see, I already got my brows on, so we're gonna go right in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and we're gonna use that to prime our lids. And if you know, I haven't been setting my lids lately. I really like the way that works. So we are not going to set this, and I am just going to push this in with my finger. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't gone out, I haven't seen these girls in about 4 or 5 months. They used to work with me when I worked at Victoria's Secret. I'm excited that I'm gonna go and see them. All right, so we are actually going to prime my lids already. I am going to go in and prime my face. I'm using the NYX Shine Killer. Gonna do that while my concealer sets in there. And I'm basically gonna put it in the areas, well, probably all over my face. I really like this primer. Getting ready for school to start. Cannot wait for school to start. But yeah, so we're gonna go for like a sunset eye. I have been loving this palette. I cannot put it down. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I really like it. It has some very pretty colors, and like you can do everyday look, you can do a pop of color, you can do all kinds of stuff. So today we're gonna do like a sunset eye, focusing a little bit more on the burgundy kind of color. We're gonna go in with the color, we're gonna do this hippie, this orangey color. I'm gonna start with that, and I'm gonna take that into my crease. And I'm actually gonna put up below right here the picture of the eye that I saw that I'm trying to actually recreate. It's such a pretty sunset eye. Look at that color payoff, it's just amazing. I really like this palette a lot. I have done several looks already with this. The only thing I don't like is that there isn't a dark shade. Like this is a chocolatey brown, but I really would have liked maybe a black in there. I know I have shadow on my eyes already, but it was a mistake and I couldn't change it, so I went in with something else because I figured it out. It's not as vibrant as I want it to be, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, so to make it more of that burgundy color, I'm actually going to go into the Balm Neat Matrimony palette, and with that same color pop brush but on the other side, let me remove some of the excess color. I'm going to take the color Matte Moskowitz, and I am going to really pack that on. Yep, and this is the color I'm looking for. I should have just got that from the beginning. And these colors are super pigmented too, and they're nice, and they're creamy and blendable, and I love the Balm Cosmetics. We're back. So now I'm gonna go in with that fluffy blending brush, and I'm actually gonna go into, I'm just gonna take the color right here, Matte Lopez, and I'm just gonna, because it's already enough orange in there, so I'm just gonna go in here and kind of like just take it really smoothly. Actually, I'm gonna go into Matte Kumar, which is that brownish, burgundy, pinky kind of color. I'm just gonna take that in the middle. Actually, I'm going to do that with this one right here. It's fluffy, but it'll get right into that crease. And it'll like really get, see? Perfect transition shade. And again, because you blend some of that intensity away, you just want to go back in and just pack that color in. Really make sure that you pack it nice. And then back in with that Matte Kumar color. and just taking that in my crease. I'm gonna go in now. We're done with the matte Trimony. We're done with that part. I'm gonna go in with Hippie, just a little bit because I lost a little bit of that vibrancy, and just right there. Just make sure that they're nice. It's nice and blown out. So we finished the top of that. I'm actually going to just grab a wipe and wipe any fallout that I have. Let's just clean this up. Clean that up. And I'm gonna go in with the Kylie 2-in-1 eye and lip liner. We're gonna use this for my tight line. It's nice and creamy. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a different liner on the bottom. Now I'm gonna do a winged liner. I'm gonna do this off camera because Lord knows it takes me forever. Liner and mascara on. Okay, so I went in with my foundation and my concealer already. I'll have those listed down below. I'm gonna go in with my favorite banana powder by Pierre, and I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm not gonna bake. I know. What? You're not gonna bake? No. Don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna set right under so I can brighten my under eye just a tad bit. Okay. I'm not gonna set the rest of my face because there's no need. I want to have that nice dewy look. So I'm gonna go in right away with bronzer. Let's finish the rest of my face up. I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm gonna really use that. I love this bronzer. Smells incredible. Like incredible. It's like you want to go on an island Caribbean cruise somewhere. Slim down my face a little bit because I did gain some weight. I'm going to contour with this on my nose just a little bit. This has a nice little tip. And the bristles are nice. Alright, now for blush, I'm going to go in with my butter blush. What the hell is wrong with me? And this is in Vintage Rouge. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And just sweep it right across. That's it, just a touch. And now we're gonna go in with our lower lash line. Let's get that done. We are gonna go in with our Morphe 35B palette, this beautiful vibrant palette. I'm gonna go in with this dark purple right here, and I'm gonna go with an angled brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to press that on my lower lash line, really close to the lower lash line. Small smoky eye brush. I'm gonna go in with this purple right here, and I'm gonna smoke that lower lash line out. I'm gonna go in again with this palette. I'm gonna go with that lighter color, that lighter violet type color, and I'm gonna bring it down even more. I really want that purple to shine through. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I really like this pretty burgundy color here. This one, this pretty color. I'm gonna take that on my lid with that flat brush that I used earlier. Yes. It's giving me that perfect, vibrant burgundy color. Oh my God, yes, I'm in love. The perfect color for this sunset look. I'm gonna leave that palette out and I'm gonna use it to play around. Going back into my beautiful BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, I have really been liking this Spirit color for my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go in with that color to highlight. So I'm gonna take Spirit and I'm just gonna go into this. Now for brow bone highlight, I didn't do one, so I'm actually going to go in and clean off this brush because it has that holographic color in it. Trixie, this like gold color, just a little bit, just to give it like a little bit of, there you go. Just a little bit, because it is an all matte color, or excuse me, it is an all matte eye highlight. And I'm going in with my butter highlighter, and this is in the color Rose Gold. You guys know I love it. We're gonna go with a definite boom tonight. We're going out, see the girls. Yes. I'm gonna make sure that that highlight stands out. Boom, there you go. Down the bridge of my nose, the tip, and Cupid's bow. We're good. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with a nice bold lip because I am going out on the town. And I'm taking I want something matte. So I'm taking the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Crimson. Actually, before I do that, let me set my face, right? So this is a going out look. So we're gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I love the mist on that. It is ridiculously nice and fine. It gets it everywhere. And yes, go in with my lip. I love the Dova applicator because it's so pointy that I don't even need a lip liner. And that completes our look. If you enjoyed watching me recreate this eye look, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And I appreciate any comments, suggestions, ideas. Please leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye! My kids are playing downstairs. Can you hear them? This is why I don't film during the day.